Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell. To start, I have a can of chickpeas and I have drained and rinsed them. And I'm going to mash these down into a paste. I'm going to add some coconut oil. One tablespoon of olive oil. About a half a teaspoon of turmeric, just for color. You could put pepper flakes if you wanted to make pepper jack cheese. Any spices that you like. Granulated garlic. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of granulated onion. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. Now you could make it without the nutritional yeast, but it won't taste as cheesy. So I'm just going to mix these up a little bit. And then I'm going to blend it up again with my blender. Now I can give it a taste. And I just have a little sandwich tray here, so I'm going to put my mixture in there. And I'm going to smooth it out. And I'm going to refrigerate it until it sets up. Okay, I've let this set up in the refrigerator overnight, so it's nice and hard now. And there's my cheese. I'm going to cut it. Or you could cut a wedge like that. And here's one that's a couple of days old, and it does firm up quite a bit. And my favorite snack to make with this, I take a leaf of romaine or kale, and I place a slice down in the center, like that, wrap it up, and it's a lovely snack. Oh, that's so good. And to do it with the kale, I just do the same thing. Take a slice in the center, like that. Roll it up and snack away. So there you go. I hope you'll try this vegan chickpea cheese. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.